police departments say they are dealing with more mental health and substance abuse related calls than ever before. Because of this, many agencies have now created new positions within their departments specifically geared toward helping those in crisis.
The towns of Gorham and Windham are the latest to do so in a combined effort. News Center Maine's Ann Baldridge is here to explain just how this joint position is working out. Hi, Ann.
Hey Amanda, hey Brian. The Gorham Chief Police told me that it took about a year to nail down the logistics of a joint community resource liaison with Windham Police, and that this addition is already making a huge difference.
We've seen a significant increase in calls for service dealing with individuals struggling with mental health and substance abuse.
Really an inordinate amount of time on them.
Haley Berry is now the liaison that police officers in Windham and Gorham turn to when they deal with a mental health or substance abuse related call.
Officers, when they deal with a certain call, will make that referral to Haley to give them the information on the call so she can look at it and to see if there's any follow-up work that she can do.
Chief Sanborn says Gorham took 130 mental health and substance abuse calls in 2021. And Chief Schofield says Windham handled 162 of those calls that same year. Since starting her position in November of 2022, Berry says she's been out on 20 calls.
Actually get the opportunity to actually kind of be involved in a specific position like this is extremely incredible, and it's very great so far.
Berry says most of the calls she's been to have involved adults in crisis.
Essentially, you're giving kind of somebody, a different perspective. Like, sometimes people can think police are intimidating, and I'm just coming in as kind of like a neutral ground.
This issue is not unique to Gorham and Windham. The Cumberland County Sheriff's Office says they saw a 300% increase in calls in 2021. Other cities in Maine have also brought on liaisons for mental health needs, including Westbrook, Scarborough, Bangor, Biddeford, Portland, York, and Saco.
I mean, it's been several years that we've seen a steady increase for those types of calls for service, but certainly the pandemic brought things to a new height for many law enforcement agencies across this state anyway.
Berry says a vital part of this role is also helping to reduce repeat service calls.
And that can network people with services, call them and check in on them, and help prevent further calls from service or further volatility.
Berry hopes to get to know more people in the Gorham and Windham communities so that she's a familiar face to anyone who may need help through a crisis. Amanda, Brian?
Ann, thank you so much.